What was a loophole that you found and exploited the hell out of? My mother found a loophole that may have driven a small business out of business. Now, I'm pretty sure most of you haven't heard of this because, as I stated, it went out of business. When I was around 11 years old, I used to exclusively buy clothes from this website called Fashion Plates. Fashion Plates was basically every middle school girl's dream. It was an online website where you would virtually design clothes, and then could buy your designs in real life. Sounds pretty neat, huh? Well, just when Fashion Plates was starting to really get out there, my mom struck. Fashion Plates had started putting commercials out on TV, gaining more customers and really growing. Then, they made one crucial mistake. They released this coupon thingy. Basically, the coupon was like if you spend $50, you get a $50 gift card thing called Fashion Bucks. I told my mom about it and she immediately ordered me $100 worth of clothes. I was shocked, since my mother usually doesn't spend much on clothing. However, she soon revealed why exactly she made the expensive purchase. With her large purchase, she received 100 Fashion Bucks. She then used those 100 Fashion